We've started. Okay.
What's up, guys? Okay, today
We're
stop
trying
staring
out-
at me like that.
We're trying out
No blue slime recipe. So the first slime recipe is dish soap and salt. What you'll need is dish soap, salt, a bowl, and a mixing tool.
And another spoon, a metal one, for the salt.
Okay, so first we add in the dish soap.
Red versus blue.
It looks green because the bowl is blue. Hi, Rennie.
Hey.
Okay,
That's enough.
And
then we add in the salt. Should we mix it first and then add in the salt? Yeah, I think so. Okay, now we add in the salt. We only need a pinch. That's good.
You can't have some music in the background?
What? Music.
I put in music in the background so they don't see the
Okay. Okay, now this goes into the freezer for for 10 minutes. So right here we've got our bowl and our spoon, and we've just added in our toothpaste, which is really thick, which I did not know. And now we added salt and we mix. This is like already becoming slime, even before we put it into the freezer, which is like really great. Okay, after you mix it and it becomes really thick, which ours already was. So if you want something that is like really thick, you should get this brand for this.
what will be this
Mayroon.
one? A strong teeth in the gel.
Now this goes into the freezer for 10 minutes, just like the other one.
And this toothpaste is green.
So, Randy,
See?
I think we're going to talk to you this morning.
You like green toothpaste and it's shiny too.
I'll just trim her off that part. No! I'm just gonna
So,
trim
with
that
in
off.
mind,
It's shiny.
how
Okay,
you'll stay.
stop. You can stop it now. Okay, so we just added in our dish soap and our toothpaste together, and we've mixed it together, and it's like really thick but liquidy at the same time, which is really nice. And it's a really pretty color, but the toothpaste kind of won't mix into it, but it will. It's really weird. So you do have to mix this for quite a while. So I'm just gonna mix it and mix it and mix it. And I will put this in a time lapse. So yeah, that is it. Together now? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Moy, what are you doing?
He's not videoing.
You just put everything out.
Got the regular toothpaste one out of the freezer, and it looks really thick and stuff, and it's stuck together and stuff. But it's just like still toothpaste, so it didn't really work. It's like really sticky. It didn't work at all. So let's go get the other two and see if those ones work. I'll go grab them. Okay, so we're back. We have both of them here. We're going to. Oh my gosh! That is a big one. Look at its eyeballs. It doesn't come down.
There's one behind you. There's another one behind you.
I'm not scared of wall geckos. I hope you know. So, which one is this? I think this is the
Okay.
regular one.